Hi, Dairy Queen has the Blizzard of the Month, returning Nestle Drumstick with Peanut Blizzard. This is what it looks like. They turned it over for me, so I'm turning it over. See? Okay, a little bit of drizzle, but that's okay. It's made up with chocolate covered drumstick ice cream cone pieces, peanuts, and Dairy Queen soft serve vanilla ice cream. Let's take some of it up. Oh wow, look at all of that. It has a whole lot of peanuts and that drumstick, chocolate covered drumstick. Look at that. That looks really good. All right, let's try it. That's good. You know, the chocolate covered drumstick is really good. Those pieces are a lot in there, and the peanuts, a lot of peanuts. It gives it a good flavor, a good combination together with that soft serve ice cream. Let's try some more. This is really good. I love it. It's really good. You have to get out, try it, let me know what you think about it. And that's going to be for a limited time that they're offering it. It's through June 30th. It's worth the try. All right. Thank you. Bye.